Welcome back to another episode of House Hunting, I guess, with Annette, Joseph, and Federico. We're in this really cute town. It's called Pugliano. It's a really cute little borgo, little village. There was a medieval tower here. Federico was telling me that there are a lot of Germans that live here. The French live here. We have people from Holland that live here. It's kind of an international welcoming community. So we're gonna go look at a house. It is 120,000 euros, 2 bedrooms. It's gonna be a beautiful view with terraces, I can already tell. And we're gonna go take a look inside and see what Federico has cooked up for us today. The homeowner is with us, I believe. I haven't really been introduced, but I believe he is, but because that's the way it works here. Okay, let's go in. I already like the beaded situation going on here. Okay. Obviously, this is the kitchen. Here's one of the bedrooms. You know, it's similar to a lot of the, oh, watch yourself, Stephen. Stephen almost fell over the iron bed. Tutto okay. Tutto tranquilla. It's just Stephen clomping around. Don't laugh, Stephen. This is supposed to be professional. Very similar to a lot of the houses that we see in Italy, where they have these built-in cabinets, these iron beds. It's a very stark interior. This is definitely move-in ready. It has wicky-wacky floors, but embrace that. But you know, it's got radiators, electricity, kitchen works perfectly. It's actually a nice size kitchen. It would be very inexpensive to refit the kitchen.
È possibile fare tutto un salone grande come
Oh,
piace a te.
now he has been around me
Living room.
so long.
Ho imparato da te.
Oh, wow, he's learned it from me. That's so funny, because I was gonna be like, I'm not gonna rip this apart. This guy's ripping it apart. Federico says you can rip out this wall. I agree with him. And you can have like a big sitting room and an open kitchen, yeah.
Sì.
This is a really good sized kitchen. And the other thing is it has a fireplace, which is
E
nice
poi un
too.
bellissimo terrazzo che dà sul giardino e sulla vallata.
Okay, so now he is now taking my job.
È stato un caffè.
See, and he's redesigning everything. I love it. So Federico's gonna be like the not nice one, bad cop, good cop. I like it. The view is incredible. I mean, the view is ridiculous. And there's a little garden here, super cute. Carina questo.
Panchine.
There's like a cute little overhanging terrace. I love this. It's great. It's great. The other nice thing about this is it isn't a borgo, but you feel like you're actually not on top of your neighbors. I like this. This is nice. The view is like, you know, mind-blowing. I love it. Great storage. Look at, I mean, that's amazing. Grande. No. Yeah. He said you can use it for lots of things. And, well, yeah, I mean, storage is always great. So this is amazing.
Sopra c'è il garage.
Oh, and there's a garage?
Sì.
Oh my God, this is a really good buy, you people. I mean, this is a great price. It's really beautiful and lovely. Like, this is lovely going down here. E questa?
Questa è un'altra strada per andare giù nella piazza, diciamo, dove c'è, dove
No.
avete mangiato.
Someone, write in the comments below who's buying this, because someone's buying this immediately.
No.
I mean, this is a no-brainer, people. This is a no-brainer. No, I'm serious. I mean, it's perfectly done. It's well appointed. This gentleman has done a gorgeous job with upkeep. You don't have to do a thing here. I mean, you could do his idea, but who cares? You don't need to. And you just move in. Yes, please. Ring it up. Okay. Andiamo, andiamo.
Wow.
Look at this view.
There, snow.
Oh, it's beautiful now in English. Good. And this is a lovely house. It has good energy. I like it. This is great. This is amazing.
Andiamo a vedere l'altra. Cioè, andiamo a vedere le altre stanze.
There's like a little foyer that you come in and then you come further. He's got this as a dining room sort of sitting area. I mean, for me, you could break up this house however you wanted to. Personally, I would probably not make it a 2-bedroom. I would make it a 1-bedroom and maybe do like a sofa bed in the other room, so it's a sitting room. And then there's another bedroom here. And then I assume there's a bathroom, il bagno, yeah, qua, okay. It's a nice sized bathroom. This is a really great house. Okay, perfect. I like it. I love it. It's good. Yeah, it's a really, and the ceiling's really pretty in here. There's a little bit of charm. You know, it's pretty white in here, but I think that you could probably zip it up with some colors, would be my guess. I mean, it hasn't been destroyed or ruined. It's really nice. And the quality is very nice of all the doorways. Yeah, I think this is great. Very quiet up here. The view is incredible. I mean, it's really restful.
A piedi al ristorante, al
Yeah,
caffè.
and you can just walk down to the restaurant. You can take a little hike down to the restaurant and have a coffee and walk back up again. I mean, Frank and I would love this. Okay, wait, have him come here. Wait, come here.
Aspetti. Come
here.
on.
Come
Prego,
and be in
prego.
the video. Come in the video. Come on. You here. Okay. All right, so we're here with the owner. He's a very nice man. And I'm looking at Stephen. When I'm looking at Stephen, behind him are the mountains, the snowy mountains. It's incredible. This is the perfect vacation home. It's quiet, it's lovely. You have this beautiful medieval tower on one side, and you have the gorgeous mountains on the other side. You can hike down to the little piazza. It's quite a dreamy house. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe. And once again, thank you to Federico. Federico, I think we should all put our thumbs up. Put your thumbs up. This is a really good property. We're giving it 6 thumbs up. And thank you very much. Piacere, grazie mille. All right. And yeah. And give me the comments down below. Whoever buys this house, I mean, kudos to you, because it's a great price. Gorgeous, well-maintained. And we'll see you next time. Ciao and peace.